Then sings my soul, my Savior God, to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. What up, what up, what up, you guys? It's Skinny Boy Randy. Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. I know I am. I'm thanking God for being alive. Thank you for being in the land of the living. Oh, Lord, I thank you. I'm not sick. I'm not dealing with the coronavirus immediately in my family. You guys, we're just blessed to be here, to be alive. There are so many people going through so many different things. Remember, live, love, laugh, grow in your family, love on your family. Just be kind to each other, you guys. What's up? It's your Skinny Boy Randy. Today I'm going to talk to you about grow lights. Grow lights are so important when starting your seedlings. Trust me, I learned the hard way. You can't get that little regular light bulb out your nightstand, put it over your seed, and expect great results. Now, it may work in some conditions because you might have a good bulb. Okay? So today we're going to go through our grow lights. And I'm going to let you guys see how I assembled them. They came from Amazon. You know, I told you about that the other day. So let's just go on over here and get to work, you guys. I love you. Thanks for being here. And if you're not already a member, click like and subscribe, y'all. Click the bell if you'll get a notification every time I make a video. Okay? And it's kind of hot in this greenhouse, so I'm going to hurry up. And I didn't want to turn the fan on to mess up the audio. So let's go ahead and jump into these grow lights. Now, simple. They come in a set of 2. You get 2. Oh, let me turn it down. Sorry, you guys. You get 2 grow lights for $11 from Amazon. See? Just like that. And they come with the cord, the click on and off switch, and you squeeze this silver piece for the clamp, and you can clamp it anywhere you want. Can y'all see that? And some people might be like, why is he making a video on that? What in the world? Some people, you'd be surprised, thank me and are like, you know what, Skinny Boy Randy, I really wanted to know how to do that. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is take one of my base. See that, you guys? And screw it on top of our socket. Just like that. And let's just go ahead and do both. Take your base, and screw it on your socket, or your dome, and put it on your socket. I don't know the professional name for these, you guys. I'm not an electrician, okay? So, again, those came from Amazon. You get 1 for $8 and 2 for $11. And then you're also going to need the appropriate grow lights, you guys. These lights have the appropriate Kelvin and lumen, which is the brightness and the artificialness of the sunlight. They know how to mimic that. And you can look in another video for the details on Kelvins and lumens. Kelvins and lumens, however you say it. And these are just 2 grow light bulbs, specifically made for starting, grow light. Specifically made to be a grow light. I hope y'all enjoyed my little song at the beginning. Okay. I do a little shum here and there and choir and stuff. And this comes in a box like this, Amazon, and you get 2 of those. You guys, I had to get me some grow lights because I got stuff hanging and dangling from lamps and poles and just all over the place. Then you just simply screw your bulb in. Just like that. Give her a little power. A little juice, plug her up. Just like that. I hope you guys are having a blessed day, you guys. You know, the world is going through it right now. And there you have it. I don't know if you can see the light. It's the fluorescent LED. And we're going to use this over our seeds, you guys, just like that. Okay? So just wanted to do a quick video on that. That's all, you guys. And stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to start your seeds in peat pellets. The Jiffy Starting New Professional System Peat Pellet. Okay? I'm going to show y'all how to do that. So today, we just showed you how to do your grow light. And you want to put these, when your seedlings first peek their face out of the soil, you want these things like that. About 2 inches away. If this was my seed, that box, I want my lamp right there. I mean, on it. Like white on rice. Okay, you guys, there you have it. It's your Skinny Boy Randy. Remember, click like and subscribe. I love you, you guys. Live, love, laugh, grow stuff. They need it. And get your grow lights and get your seeds going, okay? It's getting time, y'all. Come on.